Hello everyone, myself Meena Bakkar, lecturer at mathematics. I'm a Google certified trainer and co-leader of GG Delivest in India. Today I'm going to discuss with all of you how we can collect marks of a class using Protect feature in Google Sheets. Here is my sheet. I have written their class name on the top and then I have created 7 columns. In first column, I have entered roll number of the students. In second column, I have entered name of the student. In third, the first subject English. In fourth, second subject mathematics, then physics, then chemistry, then biology. I have created this sheet. Now I want to share this sheet with other teachers who will enter marks of English, mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology in this sheet. But I really don't want that they could change whatever I have already written. That means I don't want they should change these and these columns. So I need to protect this sheet. You can see here the name of the sheet, this one sheet, and right here is the upside down triangle. I have to click here and here is the option protect the sheet. I have to choose this. By default, it is showing me to choose the complete sheet, but I don't need to protect the whole sheet because otherwise they could not enter marks here. I have to protect these ranges, these first 2 rows and these 2 columns. So I am going to choose range. I'm going to choose the sheet here. Now I am coming here on the top row, this one, shift the last cell. The top 2 rows I have selected. You can see here A1 to G2 range is selected. OK. Set permissions. By default, it is showing only you and I want the same. But let me just show you what other options are. I can custom. I can copy permission from any other range. But I am just going to choose only you. Done. You can see here this lock like button. This shows that this range is protected. Now I want to protect one more range. So I have to add one more range. I have to choose the sheet. I'm coming here on the first cell, shift the last cell of the range. You can see A3 to B12 is chosen now. OK. Set permissions. Only you, I want, only I can change the sheet. This is OK for me. Done. These 2 ranges are protected. Now no one can change these ranges except me. Cross. Now I have to share this sheet with whomsoever I want, with other teachers. I can write their email ID here and it will be shared through email. Or I can just copy this link with the setting, anyone with the link and editor. I can copy this link and share through WhatsApp or school group. Done. They will open this sheet. They can enter the marks here, but they could not change whatever I have written. I hope this sharing will be helpful to you all. Thanks everyone.